Okay, so in that class, previous class, we just uh, what we did that day. Oh, okay, we just saw how to run Java program in IntelliJ, then how to run the same program and convert the Java program to JavaScript and run it VS Code, and same for Python. So today we'll actually go in deep little bit, step by step. So our today's topics is data type and variable for programming language, any programming language. So this is common for all programming language. Every programming language should have data type and variables. So we'll go for this, and as well as maybe we will covering the loop too. So let's start. Let me open 3 editors. I have already. Step programming Java. Okay. Then we can directly import. That file the other day we did actually, I think it was deleted, something we didn't save. No problem, we can create new one. And we need to open for VS Code. And we need to open for Python. Python. Huh? হ্যাঁ, আশরাফ জয়েন করছেন না?
হ্যাঁ
Where is Python? Just a minute. হুম,
যে প্লে রাইটের রোলে যে ইন্টারভিউ দিছিলাম না,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
ওরা নেক্সট রাউন্ডে মুভ করে নাই।
নেক্সট রাউন্ডে পরে নাই।
না,
ইটস ওকে।
আমার ওই যে স্ক্রিপ্টিং এ ইয়ে আর কি আপনার কিছু সিনট্যাক্স এরর ছিল, সলভ করতে পারি।
তো এটা তো প্র্যাকটিস করতে হতো আরো। ইয়ে কি প্লে রাইটের সিনট্যাক্স দিছিল?
প্লে রাইট।
I see. কি কোশ্চেন মনে আছে? দ্য ইন্টারভিউ কোশ্চেন গুলি মনে আছে?
না না, কোশ্চেন সমস্যা নাই। ওই যে আমরা পিকচার টিকচার এটা
ফিকচার, ফিকচার আমরা পড়াবো। ফিকচার একটি অ্যাডভান্স লেভেল, হ্যাঁ।
না
ফিকচার,
না, সমস্যা নাই, এটা ছিলে তো অসুবিধা নেই। আমি ওই যে আরো প্র্যাকটিস করবো, সমস্যা।
আরো প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। আর অফার তো একটা
হ্যাঁ।
আসছে।
এটা তো, হ্যাঁ আছে তো এখন। আমার মনে হয় এটা সময় লাগবে না, টাইম লাগবে।
ওটা 2 মাস লাগতে পারে।
না আমার আর কি, যে এটাতে একটা জয়েন করে ফেললে পরে আবার প্লে রাইটার রোলে আমি আর কি হয়তো করবো।
অসুবিধা নেই, ওইটা আগে জয়েন করেন, দেন আস্তে আস্তে মুভ করা যাবে।
হ্যাঁ, প্লে রাইটে যদি এখনই কিছু একটা এক্সপিরিয়েন্স নিয়ে নিয়ে নেওয়া যায় তাইলে
হুম হুম,
ভালো হবে।
সেটাই। এখন মোটামুটি শিখে তারপরে করলেই হয়ে যাবে, অসুবিধা নেই।
আর এটা মাইক্রোসফট তো, আপনার গভর্নমেন্ট প্রজেক্ট গুলো সব তো বেশিরভাগই মাইক্রোসফট প্রোডাক্ট।
সব জায়গায় প্লে রাইট, এভরিওয়্যার প্লে রাইট এখন।
হ্যাঁ, মাইক্রোসফটের প্রোডাক্ট তো ফেডারেল গভর্নমেন্ট প্রজেক্ট গুলোতে বেশি করে।
হুম,
ওরা মাইক্রোসফটের এই প্রোডাক্ট বেশি এরা ইউজ করে।
ইয়া। সো ইউ গাইস নিড টু প্র্যাকটিস। সো আমার কথা হচ্ছে গিয়ে, আফটার দিস ক্লাস এভরিবডি ডু প্র্যাকটিস। দ্য লাস্ট ক্লাস আই গেভ ইউ সাম হোমওয়ার্ক, হু ডিড ইট? আশরাফ, you did?
আমি কিছু ওই যে ওপস কনসেপ্ট আমি কিছু প্র্যাকটিস করছি টাইপস্ক্রিপ্টে।
Oops concept we'll do it later, no problem. TypeScript এর oops concept আমরা তো এখনো যাই নাই, আমরা তো বেসিক প্রোগ্রামিং এ, then we will go to oops
না,
concept.
বেসিকও করছি আর কি কিছু।
আচ্ছা, Wasim, did you do anything? You did, right? Okay, fine
No,
then.
I didn't do anything because I need to install all the softwares and then uh, start over from the
Okay,
beginning.
so we'll start again today. So we'll do the same way. Open your chat GPT, I share already. So that day we write a basic Java program. So we write a very basic Java program. So write a hello world program. Then today our topics is, I told already, data type, variable, and looping. So we'll do it. So let's start. So in chat GPT, if you write a Java program, we did these things yesterday, other day, right? So Java program is like this. So it should be class, and class name is caps, and there should be main method. Inside main method, we will write the statement. So this is the one-line statement, that is the main program, but it's follow a couple of rules, stick rules and type. So if we convert it to JavaScript, same thing, JavaScript doesn't have any stick role, doesn't need to declare class like this, and just one-line statement. That means just this line. System out println for Java to print something, and JavaScript just console log. So same thing if we go Python. And beside, okay, convert it to TypeScript. Same, JavaScript, TypeScript, same. Console log, hello world. So convert it to Python. It will be print. Just statement is different, but same thing. So one line of a statement. So how to write run this program? Do you remember? If you don't remember, let me run again. Then we'll jump in our next topics. Just recap. So here it is Java. For Java, we are using IntelliJ. So create a Java file here. Create a file. Actually, we made a mistake. We have to solve it. ID, git. Let me create a Java project. It will be not running like this. Yeah, let me create a Java project.
And just have a quick question. Can we
Hmm.
use the VS Code for this instead of using
Okay.
the IntelliJ?
Instead of IntelliJ,
Yeah, can we use a VS Code or do we have to use IntelliJ?
we can do, but thing is why we are using IntelliJ instead of VS Code. The reason is
Mm-hmm.
most of project, right? Java-based project,
Mm-hmm.
they use IntelliJ instead of VS Code.
Gotcha.
So VS Code is only for front-end people. They
Okay.
prefer VS Code, right? Like a JavaScript developer, React developer, Angular developer, even Python developer, right? Even
Okay.
automation, even when you write your Playwright, you
Mm-hmm.
have to have used VS Code. Most of people using VS Code. But for Java,
Mm-hmm.
it is universal IntelliJ. Everybody use IntelliJ these days. IntelliJ or Eclipse, but 99.9% IntelliJ. So that's why you have to know how to execute code in IntelliJ. And Java always IntelliJ for
All right.
backend. So
Gotcha.
you are not working only for front end. You have to know all those things. Suppose in your project there is backend development is going on, and most of project actually backend based. Like Java programming is actually API. They're developing API. So you have to run those, application in your local, and you have to run these things through IntelliJ.
Gotcha.
That's why you have to know it, so
All
that
right.
you are comfortable in your real world. We can
Thank you.
you can use VS Code for almost all code, but when we go to only Playwright, then we will use VS Code only. But now when we are learning the programming things, so we will be preferring in the specific ID for the specific programming language. Okay,
All right. All right. Thank you.
no problem. So let me create one. Mm. That is the problem. It is creating the Maven things. I don't want to create Maven. Another issue. Just give me a second.
Anyway,
Hmm.
for Java, we don't need a Maven dependency, right?
We need Maven for microservices testing, but now we don't need. That's why by
Now
mistake,
we don't need. We are
yeah,
practicing the.
I create a Maven project by mistake.
I think Intel is a very good IDE. I practice little bit.
This is
I was comfortable. IntelliJ and VS Code, I think, very popular right now, right?
but my machine. We create just empty project for Java. We're not doing main Maven project. So we can delete it. Delete things here. Create a new file. Java class, create a Java class and give the class name based on this. All these names should be the same. My computer is so slow today. Sorry, guys. I don't know why I need to restart my book.
Can you create main method together?
What, Ashraf?
Main method together when you create a class.
Yeah, we can do. We can do.
Okay. No, there is not built-in configuration.
Okay. So automatically main method will be created.
Like Eclipse.
Oh, yeah, you can do it. Yeah. So in IntelliJ, there is a configuration, right? So, or if you turn on the message here, the AI, right? NetBean AI, right?
Yeah.
Here, you see? So it will create most of your code, the structure. So how to run Java code? Do you guys remember? Open the terminal. Then go to the folder. We are already in the folder. How do you check what folder you are in? So pwd for Mac. pwd, you will see you are in this folder. So in this folder, you have to go to what? Source. Source is another folder. So you have to go to
CD.
Source. SRC. Right? So inside source, we have the file. So you can run this file like Java, then the file name. .java. It is throwing error because what? Because I made a mistake. I put two W's here, right? That's why. So you see, hello world. So same thing for VS Code, how to run it. If you go VS Code, let me open our existing project. Open.
VS Code, I think it's console.log, right?
Yes. Console.log.
And Python only print.
Yeah. So inside JavaScript, you already wrote other day. So console.log, open your terminal. New terminal.
I think it's in a future job interview. It's because there is the code available, but they are asking to write the code.
And
We
my plan is I will finish all those 20 code, 20 program, right? Mostly they will give you in the interview. No other code they give. Ashraf should know, right? So what type
yes.
code they ask. So I will
Yeah.
give all these 20 code, actually program. I will solve those 20 in Java. I will solve those 20 in JavaScript and also in Python. So that in any interview, you guys can, pass the whiteboard testing. You understand?
Thank you. That will be the
What whiteboard testing mean the coding
Whiteboard
interview?
testing means if you pass the first round of interview, then second round of interview is mostly technical. They will ask you or give a problem. You have to solve this problem, right? This kind
Writing the
of
code.
yeah,
So
writing
I
the
think
code.
in future interview, I think coming because of AI, they know the all of the code is available, but how do they justify the
No,
candidate
but
should
for
select
interview, they will not ask you to use AI. they want to
not
see your
yeah, yeah.
But in your job, in your work, you can. It is mandatory. You have to
Before
use the AI.
before AI, they just ask the question,
Yeah,
but now they ask to write the code.
yeah, of course. And you
Mhm.
have to know how to use the AI too.
Yes.
I am showing the chat GPT. Later, I will show you here. This one also important. Copilot, the same thing. Copilot will go through this. So
Mhm.
in JavaScript, okay, Bhaiya, tell me how to run JavaScript code. The same code we wrote here in the chat GPT, right? In the JavaScript code, Java code we wrote. Then JavaScript, how to write, how to run JavaScript code.
Yeah, console.log.
Console.log means this is your program that will print it, but how to run it?
Oh, run.
Hmm.
Okay, so npx,
npm.
sorry, npm. That's mixed
Okay.
up.
npm
npm
hyphen
No
dash
dash
hyphen. Then just program name, right?
program
program
name.
name.
Okay. Dot optional. JS is optional. Okay, it will be not running because why? Tell me.
Because this is the under file for JavaScript. You have to go into the file first.
Exactly. No, you have to go to the folder first, right?
Oh,
How
folder
yeah.
first. Yeah,
Yeah, if you
folder means JavaScript.
if you write pwd, you will see, right? This is the folder, and inside folder, what is this? ls. If you put ls, you will see there is two folder, right? JavaScript and TypeScript, right? So you have to go to JavaScript folder. So how to go to JavaScript folder? cd, then JavaScript, right? Now, if I run it, if I run npm, I have already. So if I run npm hello world JS, then it will be running. Unknown hello world, why? Not npm. I also a mistake with you guys. Node, man. Node, right?
Node,
It's,
node. Yeah.
yeah, node. It would
Node, like a Node.js.
yeah,
Node.
it would be node. Node, then hello world. Wasim, you have to
No,
talk too.
node folder name and the file name, right?
Yeah. So node for JavaScript and TypeScript, the command to run the program is node, then space, then program name. You see? Yeah. Whatever we put here, it will be coming. So
Mhm.
now
So our folder name is SDET GSTS, no?
that is actually your project name.
My project name.
Folder name is project name, right? Project name JSTS. So inside this project, we have two folders, JavaScript and TypeScript.
Two folder.
And
Okay.
inside TypeScript, we have the JavaScript file, right?
As
So
the as
those are
did
the folder, but SDET is program name.
Which one? This one? Project name.
Yeah,
Project
SDET.
name.
Project name. Okay.
This is your project name. Then inside project, this is your project subfolder, files, or whatever you need for your project. Those are here under the project. That is root. Project root is called project root. Here,
Project
whatever you write under this project directly, it is root project under the project root. If you write anything under subfolder, it is not in the project root. Our hello world file is not in the project root because it is under JavaScript. So you have to understand what is project root. Project root means this one under the project state. The first child of the project is project root. Okay.
Project root. Yeah. So
First
we
child.
need to go to first project root, then folder, then file.
Yeah, then file. So structure is like this. In our real life project, we actually create lots of folders. Inside folder, we create another folder, then we write file. We organize that way. Right? Same way, if we
So
go to
okay,
if you wanna run the TypeScript file, same way, right? Tell me, Bhaiya, what I have to do now. I have to run the TypeScript file.
So we have to go to TypeScript first.
How?
CD.
We have to get out from the JavaScript, right?
Oh, get out the JavaScript. Get out the one folder.
Yeah, so cd ... cd space space dot dot, right?
dot dot. So we just
Then
get out. Yeah.
I came to the root folder, right?
Yeah.
This is the root folder. Then I have to go back again. Then I have
ls
to, I have
ls
no,
TypeScript.
Node.
yeah, if you know which folder you need to go, then directly you can put cd the folder name. If you
But
don't
for
know
learning
which
purpose,
folder,
this is fine. Yeah.
then
Learning purpose.
ls means check. You have to check the which folder are there. So I am checking. So I have to go to TypeScript.
Gotcha.
So okay, then cd TypeScript,
Perfect.
then TypeScript. Now run the file. So
Mhm.
same old node, then no one.
.ts.
Yeah.
ওই যে জুন ভাই আপনার ফ্রেন্ড কি মাসুক না কি নাম, হ্যাঁ জয়েন করবো না?
কে?
ওই যে মাসুক আপনার ফ্রেন্ড, এর নাম না কি ওই যে?
মেহেদি?
না ওই যে মাসুক না কি ওই যে মেহেদি না, আর ওই যে প্রথম যে জয়েন করলো
শ্রমিক হ্যাঁ ও জয়েন করবে। ওরা ওই যে আমার স্কেজুলের জন্য দে হ্যাভ এ প্রবলেম উইথ স্কেজুল, শ্রমিক এন্ড আতিফ, রাইট? সো দে আর ওয়াচিং
কামাল
দ্য,
আছে না একজন, কামাল।
ইয়া, দে আর ওয়াচিং ভিডিওস, হ্যাঁ। তো আমি যখন মর্নিং এ নেব নেক্সট মান্থে মর্নিং এ, তখন মর্নিং এর সেশনে জয়েন করবো আরেকটা, হ্যাঁ, ফেব্রুয়ারি থেকে। ওকে, সো
মর্নিং এ আপনার নিজে যদি নিতে চান, মর্নিং তো সমস্যা হয়ে যাবে।
না এটা কন্টিনিউ থাকবে, দিস ওয়ান উইল বি কন্টিনিউ।
ও
এটা
আরেক
সন্ধ্যায় থাকবে।
আরেক ব্যাচ
হ্যাঁ
আরেক ব্যাচ
হ্যাঁ, আরেকটা বা এটারই যদি আমি প্যারালাল করতে চাই তাহলে কারণ ওরা ওয়ার্ক করে, হ্যাঁ, সন্ধ্যা প্রবলেম হয়।
বুঝতে পারছি।
ওকে, নাও go to Python. Ashraf, tell me the Python, how to run Python test.
পাইথন টার্মিনালে তো ইয়ে করি না আমি, দেখি। ও
Okay.
একই তো রাত।
Tell me.
পাইথন আপনার পাই টার্মিনালে, থ্রো টার্মিনাল না?
You have to run
টার্মিনাল।
it through terminal first. Everything you have to learn terminal.
আচ্ছা টার্মিনাল কি
I am here.
ইনস্টল
Are
করতে
you
হবে?
seeing, Ashraf, you are seeing my screen? Screen দেখতে
Yeah.
পারেন?
হ্যাঁ
Okay, screen-এ আমি টার্মিনাল ওপেন করছি। I already opened the terminal. Now tell me the comment how to run the Python code.
So first
Python.
we have to go to the project SDET
Right,
Python.
I am in the project already.
So now we have to go to Hello World
How?
in the folder.
No, there is a file. It's not hello world folder, right?
What
It's a
is the
file.
run? What is the run command? What is the run command for Python code?
Yeah. What?
So that one is no.
Just remember to run
Just
anything
py.
in
Py.
anything. No, to run anything in Python, you have to write Python.
Py.
No,
Oh, Python.
Python.
Direct Python.
Yeah.
Python and then the file name.
Python and JavaScript and TypeScript note for Python and for Java. Just remember it, right? Then Python, hello world.
Hello world dot py.
Dot py.
Py.
Py. It will be not running or run, might be because depends on my Python installation. If I have Python installed in my computer, then it will be working. If I have Python 3, then it will be not working. Let's see. So if I enter, you see it's called Python is not found. That means I have Python 3 updated version. So now I have
updated version doesn't support terminal.
No, Python is not backend compatible. Huh? So if you have Python 3 will not support Python. So Python 3 is totally new release. Okay.
New release. So we have to put Python 3.
Yeah, Python 3.
Run command. Okay.
Run command. So for me, Python 3, maybe for you, Python will be working. But if you install Python these days in new version, so it is Python 3, then Python will be not working. You have to give Python. Yeah.
For Java, we write Java dot. Let me. Which was node is GS and TS, and Python is Python, and then Java was. What was the command for the terminal?
For Java?
Java
dot Agent, right here.
Oh,
Java
space.
space file name dot extension.
Okay.
Space file name. For
Okay.
JavaScript node, then file name. For Python, same way, Python 3 or Python, then file name. Okay?
Okay.
That is previous class. We just recap. So now come to our topics today. Our topic is what? Data type and variable. So before going to data type and variable, let me discuss. Do you have any idea what is data type and variable? If you don't, I am just giving a very, very brief summary. So I have a value. Is a normal number, right? 5. But I have to put this value inside something, kind of bucket. This is a bucket or a memory space. It's called variable. Nothing more this. Variable means a bag. Just backpack, kind of backpack. So we can put value inside this bag so that we can reuse it. Just remember, we need a variable for reusable purpose. And data type is what kind of variable is it? It is 5. 5 means number, right? And if I put my name Tuhin, it is not a variable right now. If I put inside a bag or inside a placeholder, then it will be a variable. This placeholder is a variable, and it is the name of actually value of this variable. Very simple way I'm telling, but the difference between 5 and Tuhin, that is a number, and that is not number. I'm not telling it is a string because later we'll learn string. It is a number, it is a not number. 2 types of value are there, right? One should be number, one should be not number. So if it is a number, then it is a defined type. If it is a not numbered, then it would be defined type. We'll see. So if we go here, write down data type and variables in Java. You will see what it will come up. So here is the list. In Java, I actually asked you to read it. If you guys read it, look, data type I gave you. Everything is there. I think you didn't read it. That's why I have to go. Who actually read it? Anybody? Ashraf, Baya?
No, not I am.
Nobody, right? So if you guys actually went through this page, everything would be clear. So I'll go through it, no problem. Variables and data type. That other day actually I gave you homework. In variable, everything is there. Clearly I wrote everything. So if you read it, everything would be so easy to write. So these are the data type. So data type means what? In Java world, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 type of data type. 8 type of data type means what? First one is byte, then short, then int, then long, then float, then double, char, boolean. Very easy. Don't confuse with this. The size would be byte is 10, is a small integer. Okay, fine. For short, it's 1,000. Short integer. For int, it is 4 byte. So most common integer, like 100. Okay, the normal what number we are using, it is actually part of integer. Its range is 4 byte. So long, 8 byte. Like this. Okay, so let me do one thing. So byte, short, int, long. This 4. Byte, short, int, and long. It is like this. If you need, actually we will write here, no problem. We will write in the program better. Then float and double a decimal point. And char is a 1 letter. And Boolean is true and false. Good. Let me copy it and go there. Then we'll go one by one.
Are you creating file under src or under hello world?
Under all Java files should be under src. All Java files, mandatory.
Same thing, the other two languages.
No, they don't have any structure. So you see, it was showing throwing error because in Java, the file name and the class name should be the same, exactly same, and Java is case sensitive. Okay, now we are telling about data type. It will be clear now. Here is a one program, right? Data type and variable, and inside the program, under the main method, we write couple of values. Values key, what is this? Age, salary, grade, and is employed. Is he employed or not? So, age is 25. Salary is decimal point. And grade is a letter. And is employed would be true and false. Is employed means true, not employed means false. So, here what we are doing, we put the age value of age inside age is a variable, and what type of variable is it, we declare it. So we can write it like this. So you see, it's throwing error, red mark, right? So in Java or any programming language, you can write any value like this. You have to put this value inside a variable, inside a bag, inside a container. Clear? You can put any value in Java or any programming language like this. So 25, I put 25. What is 25, right? 25 is age. So age means a variable, is value of age is 25. In programming language, in Java, JavaScript, we can't write anything like this. We can declare anything like this. We have to put this value inside a variable, inside a bag or inside a container. So if I put 25 equals to A, that means the value of 25, actually A is a container. So A hold a value and this value is 25. Now in Java, you have to clearly tell it. So 25, what is 25? It is a name, it is a numeric number, decimal number, or what type of value is it? So in Java, we have to tell, listen, so A is a container, A has a value is 25, but this 25 is a number. But in Java, you have to tell more details, not number. It is a number, fine. So what type of number is it? It is decimal or it is a small, it is like, so now it is asking in Java, so what type of number? All are number here, byte, short, int, long, float, double, all are number. So I am telling, so A hold a number, A contains a number. Now Java is asking what kind of number is it? So you have 8 option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 option. What kind of number? Now you have to specifically tell in Java program, yeah, it is a number, but this number is like byte, short, int, long, float, and double. So we use float and double only for decimal. If it is like point something something, then we have 2 options. We will be using float and double. If it doesn't have any decimal, it is a not decimal number, then we have these 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got my point. So now we are clear. A has a number, fine. Now it is asking what kind of number. We know it is not decimal, so it is not decimal number. So we have 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we use any of these 4 as a type of A, it will be valid. If you see, if we put like
byte,
int, it will be fine. You see, if we put byte,
TE,
it will be fine. You see, if we put long, it is different, but short, if we put short, it will be fine. Short, S is, yeah, it will be fine. You see, if we put long, it will be fine too. Now you have to know the difference of these 4. If we put long, it is fine. Got my point? Who didn't understand?
yeah, I got it. There is eight option.
Exactly.
So we have to figure out which one will be the correct one.
Exactly.
If it's a decimal, it should be floating or what is the other one?
So this is the type. All variables actually in this must have type, and this type actually they include actually belongs this 8 types in Java. There is no other types. So, and in general, there is 2 type of value, number and not number. I showed here, number and not number, right? In world, the value is normally these 2 types, number and not number, right? So for not number, non-number, we
There's
have
2 types. There are the 2 types.
we have char and
char.
boolean is different. Forget about boolean right now. We have char and string, another one we will go later. So just remember char. And for number, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now we have to, and number are 2 types always, right? Decimal and non-decimal, right? For decimal, we use float and double. And for non-decimal number, non-decimal number, we have to use these 4. These 4 are valid for any non-decimal number, and these 2 are valid for any decimal number. Now thing is, why 2? Why float and double? That is only for size. If you need a big number, like here, okay, first come from integer. So what is the difference between byte, short, int, and long? All are non-decimal number types, but you see byte size is 1 byte, short 2 bytes, integer 4 bytes, long 8 bytes. That means the size means, I'll show you one thing.
The two digit, then it's a byte.
Look, I'll show you. So it is valid for 25 is valid for byte, int, short, and long, right? Now, if you put byte here, is good, no problem. But now increase the number. Put 5, 1, 5. Is throwing error.
Hmm.
So you can use byte. So it depends all your size now. You see. Now it is showing task expansion byte. So that means byte is too small for this. So is asking to convert it to make one size bigger, short. If I put short,
Then it's okay.
it will be fine. You see? Now put another 5. It's
I
fine.
think Ashraf bhai need to be.
Ashraf, you need to mute. I can mute. Yeah. Okay, I do it. So now if you put another 5, you see?
Wrong, yeah.
Now short, that means for byte it was 20 to two digit, right?
2 digit.
For short, it is, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 digit. So if you need bigger number, then short will be not working. Short will
So
be not
basically
working.
2 digit is byte, 5 digit for short, and then long is more than.
Yeah, then int, right? Int. You see, now short is not working. So now I have to change it. I have to change it what? In int. Let's see if we put int, what will happen? It's good, right?
It's fine, yeah. Int.
Okay. So now increase it again. It's fine, 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 fine. You see? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 9. So integer will be working up to that digit, right? If you need bigger number, it will be not working. Got my point? So now then what you have to put? Long, right? Then you need long. That's why the multiple data type in Java. Long.
So basically two digit.
You see, long is fine, but for long there is a issue. Not issue, it is still showing red line because whenever you use long for integer, you have to put L at the end. That's it. That is the syntax. Okay.
Oh, okay.
For
This
long,
long.
for long, if you let's see how many digits you can put. You see how big is it? So this, let's say going to
So basically, if you make it short, like byte is 2 digit, then short is 5 digit, and then int is more than 5, and long is more than 9.
yeah, like this. How long is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Like this, right?
Even
So
if you do go more, then it still is okay, no?
if you need more than this, computer can handle it. In Java programming, we can handle it as an integer. Sorry, no, non-decimal number. So you got the limitation, right? Computer still
But
has the
system
limitation.
still shows is okay. There's no red light.
No, red is there.
Red is there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Red. Now is green, right? If you put another 5, it's red. So got my, so you understand, right? So that's why we don't need that big number in normal life, right? If we need bigger number, there is another way to handle it, but that is out of scope. But normally long we need sometimes, but mostly we use int. Int is fine. Int is covering 85% of your integer type of data. Sorry, non-decimal data type. Int is
Like up to 5.
yeah. So until this, so normally int will be fine for us. So whatever, just 25. So I think it is clear, right? Now this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 should be clear. All depends on the size. All are non-decimal number, but non-decimal number, and these are defining the size of non-decimal number 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is decimal number, then situation is different. And here again, I am saying we have a value and we have to assign this value, or we have to put this value inside something, inside a bag. A is a bag, or placeholder, or a container. A is a container. So we have to put the value always a container, the container called a variable, and the value itself called a literal, and always we have to give the type of the value or type of the variable. Whenever we put this value inside a variable, so we have to define the type of the variable. So what kind of value this variable can hold, we have to define it. So that's called data type. Whenever we define the type of the variable, by who? By which, right? So it's called the data type. So now our variable is A. It is holding 25. 25 is numeric number, and 25 is non-decimal number, and 25 is not a big integer, sorry, big non-numeric number. It is a medium or a small number. So type is integer. If it would be big, very big, then type would be long. If it is very short, we can put the byte. Okay. Now come for here. Here, salary. So same way, we have salary. So when I say salary, salary is 5,000 something, but you have to put the salary inside a variable. So the variable name is salary. But in Java, you have to define the type of the variable. So what type of variable is it? Tell me, anyone. Is it number or is not number? It is a number, right? Because we have two types of value, number and not number. So it is number, obviously, right? Better tell me. Or awesome. So it is a number. So number should be this type.
This is number. This
Yeah.
is number. And number should be
Number should be double float, long, in, short, byte, right?
yes.
Now we have to check this number is decimal or non-decimal.
No,
If
so
it
this
is
is decimal number.
If it is decimal number, we don't need to think about this. We have to think about this two only, right?
Float and double.
Yeah, float and double.
Float.
So float and double. And now we have to check this number is big decimal or a small decimal. So normally for decimal, remember, don't use float. I recommend use 4 byte, it doesn't matter. These days memory is used. Always try to use double is fine. Okay? For decimal double, and for non-decimal int would be fine, sufficient. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about other stuff. Just mostly we need double and int. Okay? For non-decimal, we need int, and for decimal, we need double. So it is double type.
So its structure is like that. You have a container. Container has an item, but container has to be data type. You have to mention data type in the container.
So now here concept is variable and data type. So what is the variable? Variable is a container that can hold a value.
Variable, okay.
It's a container that can hold a value. Simple answer. So now what is data type? So data type is actually define the type of the container. What type of container, or what type of container is it? It is a number. It is decimal number. It is a non-decimal number. What is this, right? It is define the type of the container. So second container salary, it actually hold value number, but the number is decimal number. So the type would be what? Type would be obviously the decimal type, right? Double or float. So normally we use double. So Java is that stick. You have to define everything clearly, okay? Any confusion so far? We can clear from the beginning. These are the very basic things. So if we clear very basic things, then when we write the program, so it would be easy. Anybody? Wasim, you have any question? No, right? Okay, he's fine.
So variable and value.
Yeah.
Variable value, but variable is just name as a container. So we need to figure out container, what types of container is. This is for
Look,
either
here I clearly wrote here in 50 minutes is take, if you go there, a variable is a name. It is in deep memory location. Actually, it is a container means memory location is fine. We don't need to understand right now these things. So just think about a container. A variable is a name of memory location that stored data value during a program execution. It is more, a structured definition. I am telling you very clearly. Now, if you read it, it will be easy to you to understand, right? Same thing. Same thing if you go to data type. Look, data type defines the kind of values a variable can store. What I said exactly, right? The data type defines the kind of values a variable can store. Same. A data type can define the type of values. A data type defines the kind of values a variable can store. That is a variable and that is the value. So what type of value this variable can store? It can store integer type, right? So if you try to put a decimal number right now inside integer, now it will throw you error, you see, because this A is integer type. You must have to store integer type inside A. You can store any other value inside A. Whenever you declare the type of a variable, so you must have to put the exact type of value inside this variable. Clear? Ask me if you're not clear anything, and we can go depth in here. Let's see. Let's see. If you read these things, it will be very good. So here we saw write what? A variable is a name, memory location that store data value during the programming execution. Whatever I say, it's a container. Like int equal to 10. I is a variable and hold integer value 10. I think you understand these things. We actually talk a lot about this. So key point. Can store primitive type. Primitive type is integer, character, and boolean, whatever I said. Then can store object. It is different thing. It is for JavaScript. We will learn later. It is actually a little bit high level. So value can change. Okay, forget about this. Declaration syntax. Declaration what? First data type, then variable name, then value. Exactly. Data type, variable, value. Data type, variable equal to then value. As example, integer is 25. Then character, grade A. Then boolean. So boolean we didn't finish it, so I'm not going to this. Good practice. Always initialize variable to avoid error. Yeah, we know. So go through this. Everything will be clear. So now double and integer, everybody understand, right?
double integer, yeah.
Okay. Now another kind is
So basically int is integer.
int is integer. So we need only, I'm telling you again, for our SDET or most of time in your coding, right? Int and double will be fulfill all your
Data type.
number types, number values. Number values means this one. This one is number and this is non-number. So
Integer.
99.9 number you can handle using integer or double. Now, so it is short now. So you remember Java has integer and double. Just remember it. Then another type. Char. What is char? Char is a letter. That's simple. Remember, non-number, a letter. Normally, we have to store non-numeric number, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, a special character like these we have to store, right? We have to store like number sign, right? So all are characters. So there is a defined data type. It's called char. Inside char, we have to put these characters. That is very simple. So here, if you declare any variable as a char and you can assign a value, you can't assign an integer value like 25. You can't. But if you assign integer value, it became a char. It is not throwing error, but this 25 is not an integer. It is a char. I'll show you later. It is not, how can I tell you? Actually, it is considered it's as a character. Convert number, I thought the conversion is, yeah. So better to put it, you can put like this. So now this 25 is not a 25, it is a, what the heck, a single quote. Yeah, now it's good. So look, this is a character. If you put anything inside a single quote, it's considered as a not number. If you remove this single quote, so it would be considered as a number. Is okay, when we write program, it will be easy. Now I'm not making confused. I'll show you later these things. Now just put as it is. So char means very simple. Char means non-numeric number and just simple a letter. We put it in a char. And Boolean what? Boolean means it has two values, true and false. Nothing else. So if anything is Boolean, if you declare anything is Boolean, so you have to put either true or false. You can write here 5. You can write. It throws error. You can write here char type of values. A, you can put it. You have to put either false. You can put false. If let's say false. You see false, and you can put true. Okay. Step by step, we are going. Okay. So now here is important. We put 25 in a variable, and this variable type is integer. It's called A. Then we put salary. We put the salary inside a variable called salary variable, and the salary variable type is double. Then we put grade, the value of grade, inside a variable. It's called grade variable, and this grade variable type is char. And Boolean number, we actually stored the Boolean value inside a Boolean type of variable is called isEmployed. So now we can print out. Now, if we print system out println is just I'm fixing it. So now is has value of 25. Just think like this. So if we print age, we'll get 25. If we print salary, we'll get the value of salary. If we print grade, we'll get the grade value. If we print is employed, he's employed or not, we'll get true or false. Let's say run this program.
So basically, when you run the program, it should be the variable, right? The variable in between.
Right, the value of this variable print out.
Value of the file name, Java space file name.
Right, you see? So we got S, we printing the S, we got the value of the S. If we got the value of salary, we got the value of grade, we got the value of is employed or not. Got it. So now if I change the value of S like here, what we'll get? If I run this program, tell me that.
Then age should be changed.
Yeah, S should be 250, right?
50.
Okay, very good. So if I put salary, same thing, right? If I put B,
So basically, value will be changed.
exactly. That's why variable is important. Variable is everything. So it's a container. So now we can change the value, right? If I put the B here, so grade will be B, right? If we run it, grade will be B. You see, grade will be B. So, and if I put the false here, because student is always unemployed. So if I put false, so here value will be false. So whatever value we assign to the variable, and if we print the variable, exactly that value will be printing false. It's very easy and very basic and fundamental things. So now, thing is, okay, go step by step. So for this, specifically this program, anybody has any confusion, anything? Any question?
I'm good to go. Yeah.
100%. You guys have to be 100% clear. Then I will move, because we are actually doing this course to clear our concept, right? Wasim, I think you are clear, right?
And value, we need to be declare the value type. Yep.
Okay. So now come to the JavaScript, because we are parallelly running all those languages. So move to JavaScript. Need to convert it, right? This program. Or let me do the same thing, the data type of JavaScript. Then it will be data type of Java. That was the data type of Java, this
Type
thing,
and variable.
and data type of JavaScript. Come to data type of JavaScript.
Spelling variable.
Yeah.
Data type and
Data type and variables in JavaScript. You see how easy it is? No, not that easy. Okay, it is showing lots of things. You don't need anything so far. Just remember init, these three: var, let, and const. Okay? This is non-primitive. We don't need right now, but we are here right now. So for JavaScript, we can write everything using var and let. I'll show you. Let's see this program. we can convert in JavaScript. Okay. Here made a not made a mistake. That is Java to Java literal conversion. That's why it's put the class. We don't need class in the JavaScript. That is the real JavaScript things. Okay. So in JavaScript world, the same program like this one, we can write it like this. Here. JavaScript. Yeah. We can write it inside JavaScript, get another file, call it data type. Wow. .js. Okay. If you paste it, you don't need these things. That is extra. See the difference? Because we already know Java has a structure. You need the class, then class name, then you have to curly bracket, then you have main method. Inside main method, you have to write all those statements. So in JavaScript, there is no class, there is no curly bracket, there is no main method, the first of all. Then in Java, what we did, we declared these variables based on their type and values. Here we declared the variables. And the second part of Java code, we just print out those variables. 1, 2, 3, 4 variables. We print out 4 variables. Same thing. So this program has 2 parts: declare 4 variables and print these 4 variables. But in Java, we have to follow this structure like class, then class name with caps letter, then modifier, public. We'll actually understand later, but just think about this. We need class, then class name with uppercase, then bracket. Then we have to declare a main method, then curly bracket finish. Then inside curly bracket, we declare 4 variables and we print 4 variables. And same thing in JavaScript, we declare 4 variables and we print 4 variables. So in JavaScript, the difference is, okay, we are naming the same variables. We have salary, okay. Let's do it in JavaScript. Let's do it the same thing, exactly same thing. I don't need. Okay. I removed everything. Okay, I put it with Java. I need to make it JavaScript. That will be actually easy to you guys. So in JavaScript, we don't need any class and any main method to write a code. So value would be same. 25 is variable, is name, container is fine. But in JavaScript, you don't need to specify the type. So there is a common type in JavaScript and universal type is called let. Okay. So if you put let, you can use these let things for everything, a little let. You can also you can use let for double too. Instead of double, you can put let. Instead of char, you can put let. Ah shit, in Java I'm writing.
Okay.
So,
Twin, give me just the
okay,
5
5
minutes.
minutes break. Just
Yeah.
5 to 10 minutes break. Go.
Okay.
10
Okay.
minutes break.
Thank you.
Okay. Come back 8:30. Are you guys there? So everybody's here. Ashraf joined, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bhaiya, Wasim. Yeah, Bhaiya also joined.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I may join. Yeah.
Okay. So we can start, right? Yeah. Let us start. So I was showing the JavaScript things, right? We wrote Java and the same program here, the same one. In the Java inside class, there are 4 variables we declare and assign the value, and we print the 4 variables. The same thing in the JavaScript, it is like this. Oh shit. Okay, same thing in Java script. We can copy, paste here. Okay. So inside JavaScript, the program is very simple. First of all, you don't need to declare the class and main method. First of all. Now, another thing, this is the value and this is the variable. So in the JavaScript, we don't need to declare the type of the variable specifically. So one common variable is working, or one common data type is working for all type of variables. It's called let. Just remember it. Let. Okay. If you put let, is fine. It is integer, it is whatever, it is string, it will figure it out. For double, you don't need to put double. Just let. How easy? Let. Then for char, you don't need to put char like Java. Let. For Boolean, same thing. Let. So you see, no arrow. So JavaScript is so smart. JavaScript will be understanding what type of value is it from the value itself. JavaScript will read the value and it will understand what type of value. But still you have to declare the type is called let. Clear? So in Java, we have to declare the specific type, int, double, char, boolean. And for JavaScript, we just use let for all 4. It is their syntax because JavaScript is very smart. And here we have to change what? Tell me, anybody. Wasim, tell me. Just I need to print the variables. Okay, Bhaiya, tell me. Wasim has, I think, a microphone issue.
Console.log.
Yeah.
Console.log.
Log.
Then declare the variable. Yeah.
Declare the variable? No, yeah. Put the variable, right? Same thing for here too. So you got the difference, everybody, right? That's why I am teaching parallelly.
It's really good approach. Yeah.
Then everything will be very clear to you and get the difference.
If you teach separately, Then
then
maybe
you will forget.
yeah, then we forget the previous one. Yeah.
And you will not get the difference. You'll see, oh, you thought, oh, JavaScript is totally different. You think Java is a totally, no, the syntax is different, the logic is same, right?
But that's good. I like it.
And it is very important when you go to, and you can go to market early. Whenever you have basic knowledge of all programming knowledge, you can add those things in the resume and you are ready to go to the market.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. The February is good, or
Yeah.
maybe March. February, I think.
I hope you can go to in February. And by March, you should get the job.
But before February, I don't think so. This month I can cover all of
No,
the
no,
things.
take this month. If you have no rush, take this month. In February, we'll jump in, resume will be clear, prepared in February. We will parallelly work on resume and we will parallelly learning so that anytime you are ready to get to market, right? Not like this, finish the course, then resume preparation, then make you ready for market, not like this. We will make a resume in before February might be, and we will working on it parallelly so that you are very confident to crack the interview kind of things.
Mm.
And real life things I am showing, and don't worry about that. And you guys work, so real life environment, only Washim doesn't know, but he will be definitely. So this is the structure, right? And this is the code. So in Java, these two lines are extra, main method and class, and those brackets are extra. In JavaScript, no class and main method, no brackets, nothing. And here we declare the data type individually for all types, like int, double, char, boolean. But in JavaScript, nothing. It's just let one variable is one data type is enough. And system out println is syntax. We show other day. And here we use console log. Let it run.
Run is node,
Node,
and then file type. Yeah, sorry, files.
file
File
name.
name. File
Yeah.
name.
Data type var dot yes. So something missing. Yeah,
Module not found.
just because I am in the TypeScript. You see, I have to go to in the JavaScript, right?
JavaScript, yeah.
Yeah, CD.
So clear, cd dot dot clear,
Then
then cd.
JavaScript,
Hmm.
then whatever the this one note data type var js. You see, 25, 30, same result, right? So if you can put it same like Java, what we did, true. We'll go there, but just make your basic clear, then you see the programming is very easy. We can change it. Then same thing, it will be changed as it is. Yeah, we see 205, something. So now for TypeScript, come to the TypeScript. It would be the same or not? Guess.
Same.
Same, right? It will be working. Let me do it in the here. Okay. Copy it. Right. Or better, okay, I will show two way. Same, right? Exactly same. So for TypeScript, if we copy this one, if we go there, like same data T-O-P-E. Right. Why it is throwing error? Let me see.
Extra space, extra line or something.
Mhm. Nice, different things. The file name is same, that's why I do. Let me see, let me write it.
Doing this is TS, this is no, this one should be TS.
Yeah, TS.
TypeScript TS. The other one is
It's fine, we'll figure it out, don't worry. Yeah, so it is giving the result. The error is not error. You see, make it clear. Error is we are getting error. Why? I will tell you later, a couple of class later, because TypeScript is also type specified. So you have to declare type for TypeScript, but in TypeScript file, JavaScript also running. You got my point, right? So in TypeScript, run it, npm, sorry, node, then data, by .ts. Is it programming executed, right? So this error is different. So I can show you here. So original TypeScript code should be like this. You understand? That is real TypeScript code, and the code here we made a mistake actually. We copy JavaScript code inside the TypeScript, right? What I did, I'm telling you. Here was the JavaScript code. Everybody's following me. Here is the JavaScript code. I copy it and I create a TypeScript file. I paste it and I run it. It was running. Why? Because JavaScript is TypeScript, a subset of TypeScript. So any JavaScript code will be running inside TypeScript, but it is giving me error, syntax error. But execution doesn't have problem. But it is not authentic TypeScript code. It is actually JavaScript code. But to make it TypeScript, we have to specify the type like Java here. That is the real code. So here the difference I will fix it right now, but let me let me explain you. In TypeScript, we just mention the type specifically here. Same like JavaScript, but we put the type. Okay, how? Like same, like let.
like as a Java, declare the
No,
type.
Java, no, here, in between Java and JavaScript, you can say. So I just copy the JavaScript code here, right? So now make it TypeScript. So to make it TypeScript, you don't need to do anything. The let is, everything is fine. You just have to put type here. So before putting type, you have to understand the type of TypeScript. So here, Just write it down. Data type.
Like as a Java. Java has a type is
Data type
type.
of TypeScript. Okay. Easy. Forget about these things. We are focusing on here. So TypeScript has data type. Number. In Java, we saw int, double, those things. Like in Java, we see what? I will give this link to you so that it will be reference and you guys study at home. So in Java, these are the number types. Byte is number, short is number, int is number, long is number, float is number, and double is number. So here in TypeScript, all number consolidated in the number types. Then string is non-number. Boolean is Boolean, everywhere is same. Just focus on these three first. And these things later, gradually will go. Symbol, null, undefined. Undefined and null, we need it. These two, I don't need, we don't need even that much. I never use these two things. Just these three, focus on these three. Number, string, Boolean. Remember, number, string, Boolean. Number, string, Boolean. Everything will be covering. Number, string, Boolean. And other types we'll cover later, but most of your work will be covering to number, string, and Boolean. So TypeScript for number, only number. And for Java, for number, there is 6 types, right? Byte, short, int, long, double, float, 6 types. And for TypeScript, there is 1 number. And for JavaScript, don't worry about any type, just put late. So TypeScript, remember, for number is number, for non-number is string, and for Boolean, it is Boolean. Boolean is common to everywhere. I think it's very clear. So now make it TypeScript. It is JavaScript right now because I just copy and paste the code, JavaScript code. Same structure. We don't need class. We don't need anything here. Curly bracket, nothing. Just remember the same code, JavaScript code. You have to put a clone next to your variable and you have to put the type number. It is a number. You see, it's good. But I don't know why S is still red. It is maybe we are in a scoping issue or something.
I think space.
Nah, yeah. It's because there is another is a scoping things. Yeah, because
Can you make it one space?
I got it. We use the same file name. So somehow these is and these is actually conflicting. So it's not conflicting in execution, but in the name it is. So we can put here just S1, salary 1, then it will be gone. Grade 1 is employee 1. Okay, fine. So to make it TypeScript, you have to do one thing, just simple things. This is JavaScript, pure JavaScript. So to make it TypeScript, you have to put a clone next to your variable name. Then
space or without space?
Yeah, you don't need a space even. You have to put the number type NUMBR number. Done. Fine. So what is this? Tell me where. It is also number.
Number.
It is not distinguished.
Clone number.
Yeah. Salary clone number. How easy it is? What is
it? It is a string.
A string,
because
right?
it's not a number.
Yeah. You see? And it is?
It is a true and false.
Boolean.
Boolean.
You see, same JavaScript, just I use the type with a clone next to the variable name. And here you have to change it as one.
So there are some similarities about in between TypeScript and Java. Java has to
No,
declare.
not conflict with Java. Just remember, Java has a type must, mandatory, right? TypeScript, without declaring type, we run the program, you see? But in Java, it was impossible. It will give you compile error.
Mm.
You can do it, but without type, I can run it. But TypeScript is strictly not like Java. And here, so okay, so let me run it. No, shit. What is this? Is one numbered to 5. I don't know why it is. Oh, it is space, I think. Yeah, it's a configuration thing. Yeah, space. No, it should be working with this. Okay, just put a space, let's say. No, it's not a space. What is the problem? Let me copy this one. Let me copy it and paste it. I don't know what is the problem, but I write it from the beginning. Is throwing an error. I don't know. Okay, change the file name. Go to file is missing. Rename. Yeah, it's dead. Okay. So to use all, okay, fine. I don't need it.
What you are looking for?
No, I'm just the why it is throwing error. I'm just checking it. Let me do it. Let me fix it. Just give me 1 second. Why this is throwing error? I think I need to install something. Let's see. Enable access to the latest cloud. Maybe model. I don't need it. Oh, I have to install type, I think. Okay, we'll fix it later. But this is the TypeScript code. No matter what, this is the TypeScript code. But now it is actually I need to install type. That's why I can fix it. Let's see. Mm. Because we are creating 2 folders in same project, JavaScript, TypeScript. That's why it is actually some configuration issue. That's why. But normally, okay, let me delete these things for now on. I will fix it later. But normally, this is JavaScript code. Data type. This is JavaScript. Okay. This is okay. Oh, got it. So make it clear. So I just copy the JavaScript code inside a TypeScript program. Let it run it. It should be running without error, right? Without error. But why? Because JavaScript also support in TypeScript. So you can write any JavaScript code inside TypeScript, but original TypeScript code is little different than JavaScript code. So that means you have to put a type here. Put clone, then type number. Then you have to put clone number. You have to put clone, then string. Then you have to put clone, then
Boolean.
Boolean. Okay. Then it is a salary. Okay, it should be running. It should be running. It is giving, when I add the type in TypeScript, it is actually throwing me error because I have to install type. I have to create another project, not like like JavaScript, another project, separate project for TypeScript. Or I have to install some specific things. I will figure it out. So, but you understand the logic here, right?
Mm.
So just we need to add type here. Okay, so let us finish today's topics quickly, then convert it to
Python.
Python. Okay. Actually, we don't need, we actually manually do it better. Then it will be easy to understand. Just take the JavaScript code, same code. We'll go to Python now. This is for Java and this is for Python. So go here and create another file. It's called Python file. Create the data type, then var dot py. Python always py. Okay, so just copy the paste the JavaScript program. Okay, cool. Now make it Python code. So in Python, go here. You see a is equal to 30. You don't need even let in Python. That is it. In Java, we use int, then a is equal to 25 or 30. Here, you don't need anything. It is good. You don't need to declare anything. You don't need anything. Here, instead of console, we will
Print.
actually write print. And here comment is defense syntax, that's the string error. Okay, so why it is okay, let it run. And another thing, we don't
Python
semicolon, we
from
don't
terminal Python space.
need semicolon in Python. Python is that easy. Python doesn't have any semicolon. Okay, let me run it. But
We have to go into file first.
so we
CD.
added Python, yeah. So put Python 3, then this red to, I don't know why, it is actually configuration issue. I will fix it. I will fix it. It is actually my IDE issue. I'll fix it. Data type.
Data type where? Right, yeah.
So
No, you have to CD, right? CD CD
no,
type data where.
what? Data type, interpretation error, unexpected interrupted. It is giving the A's, but yeah, it is configuration error. I know. It is just print out the A's, but it can't. I don't know. Okay, invalid Python interpreter selector. Oh, I got it. That is different case. So Python 3.3, 3.3.3, new interpreter. This is fine. Yes, that is fine. Okay. Python needs some configuration is installed already.
Yes. So you can write CD space data type where. You have to go into the file first, no?
No, it is different. For Python, actually, this is configuration issue. We need little time to fix it, but it is not the big setting. Just let me do it. We have to figure it out. Interrupt. Okay. Interpreter. Then interpreter. Go auto. Oh, everything is good. Go to window. Add new interpreter. Add local. So virtual, I don't need. Create a new abandoned. The version related things. Let's see. I will fix this configuration issue, then let you know. But the syntax, you understand. Let it run. No, still problem. It will take time, little time. What the heck is it? Unexpected. Okay, so there is an easy way to solve it. That is a part of teaching. Look, take the screenshot. Everybody remember. Ashraf also, it is very helpful. Take the screenshot. Okay. Then go to your GPT. Then put this screenshot here. What the fuck? What is this?
If you paste, there is no option for paste.
We can do it. We can
Yeah, copy, and then paste because you are not saved that file in the system. That's why. Where is that
But
file?
the thing is, it is not Windows. Windows have this feature, but we can do it here. Just a minute. That is configuration error. I'm getting because of Python versioning. Okay. Now you can copy this one. What is this? I have another account. Let me open that one. So it is not allowing me to take the screenshot. Okay, I can figure it. I can do another way. There is another. My private one is fine. Let me use my private one. It is paid. Okay. Yeah. So this is the screenshot. In Copilot, same thing. In ChatGPT, you can do it. Just take a screenshot and you will get all the solution. Okay, we'll fix it. So you are actually hitting two separate Python issue in that screenshot. Both are common. Okay, beginner. Gotcha. So what is this? Okay, why it is happening? Your variable lines, okay, S5, I think has at the leading space at A's in Python. In addition, expectation. What is this? Your file should look exactly like this. No space in a start. I see. Okay, copy it. You got the problem now? We learn lots of things here. Tell me.
Space?
No. Before, it's actually my mistake. I also forgot this thing. We put the space here, right? A long space. Here, you see the difference?
Oh,
Python
so
doesn't support it. In Java, JavaScript, we can write it. But in Python, I forgot also. We can put the space like this. Python doesn't have the bracket, those kind of things. So you have to maintain in your code. That is the problem of Python. You have to maintain the alignment always. Okay? Suppose it is I put the space, couple of space here, right? From one, like here.
can I make it do it like let's see if it work.
Yeah, you see here, put it here. You can put the space. That is one issue. So we learn lots of things. I forgot that. Totally forgot. Right? Okay, now run it. Let's see what happens. Now, true has issue. Let's see, true has issue. Why true has issue? So alignment is fine, true. I put true in the lowercase, make it be caps. It is for all languages. True and false in Java, go Java. Here, you see the problem in Python? In JavaScript, true is lowercase, right? And here in Java, where is my, yeah, here in Java, also lowercase, true. Right? But in Python, here is the only difference. Look, in JavaScript, we write the code here with a space, big space, not a problem. we are able to run it. It was running,
And
but
also a small letter for
yeah,
true.
true is the small, but in Python, this true is the capital letter for Boolean, and your alignment, you have to be very careful with your alignment. So now run it. Now is running. You see? So now make it very, very easy, because recap, we have some issue, then we actually solve it, but it was actually very good issue we found. So go to Java again. So here in Java, today we learn data type and TypeScript, data type and variables. So in Java, we have to write everything inside class, and we have to write all the statement under main method. And for variable, we have to declare variable, and we have to strictly mention the types. Integer for non-decimal numeric number, double for decimal numeric number, character, char for character, and Boolean for Boolean. And then we print it out. Same thing, we did it in JavaScript right here. We put a space, not a problem. For JavaScript, we don't need to specifically define that data type. Just let is enough. So we put let for all data types, and console log, and it's printed out. Same thing for TypeScript. Same code, just we have to put a clone and then type number, string, and Boolean. Fine. And for Python, it is same like JavaScript. I'm not saying JavaScript, but similar JavaScript in terms of simplicity. For Python, we don't need to declare anything for a variable beside variable, because Python is smarter than JavaScript. So it will understand automatically what is this. So we don't need to put even int. For Java, like Java, we don't need to mention let like JavaScript. So we just put the as and put the value. So seeing the value, it will understand what it is. We remove all those things, the data type concept in Python. And for printing, we have to just put print, then inside print, we have to put the variable name. So here, the issue we found, for Python, you have to maintain the alignment. Like in Java, we used to write code like this, then under this, here we put like this. No, in Python, you have to write your code block by block. We'll see when we write more code. So it will throw you error. Always throwing error if you don't maintain the blocks. So you can't, remember, you can put any space between here like this. It is a wrong code in Python. But in Java and JavaScript, it is fine. Even in Java, we can write like this, not an issue. But in Python, it is issue. Got it. And always remember the Boolean value in Java and JavaScript and TypeScript always starting with lowercase, but in Python, Boolean value is uppercase, right? That is
But if you use the uppercase in other two language, it was work.
You want to put here like true,
Yeah, I think it should
like
be
Java.
work.
You put Java, you see, is red.
Oh, okay.
If you run it, you see, you got error because true is not allowed, right? You see.
So Python is like
So Python, the Boolean value is uppercase. That is the difference. So today's lecture is clear so far. Go through the videos and check everything, whatever, and this one also, 15 minutes, variables and data types. And before finishing today's class, I will just give you conceptual things, because so far we actually see the variables. Well, this is variables, right? Is a container, right? Is equal to 25. We saw a is equal to 25 is a variable like is. It is is. as example. This is a container. What exactly is it? So is it means in computer, everything is in memory. All data is stored in the memory. So memory means RAM, right? We heard RAM. What is RAM? In computer, RAM is like this. It is a block by block memory. RAM, RAM, right? RAM. So computer processor take all data from the RAM. RAM is very expensive, very powerful. So processor, when process everything, so it actually find the data in the RAM, not hard drive. If it doesn't get any data in RAM, it will go to hard drive. It is actually expensive operation. We said expensive operation because processor always looking data in cache memory, fast cache. Cache is very expensive and a small memory. So if it doesn't get this value in the cache, it will be looking for in the RAM. If it doesn't get the data in the RAM, it will go to hard drive. Hard drive, so looking for data in hard drive, it is a very expensive and very time-consuming operation. That's why all variables in all programming languages, all variables actually stored in the RAM. Cache, we can't. It is very expensive. That's why even hard drive, we can't put because if we put all variables in hard drive, so processor will be finding this data in hard drive and our program will be very slow. So in that case, whenever we mention a variable, like 25 is equal to 25 and we put the data type, I'm just showing the Java world, so same, all are same, int. I put int data type, this age is int, this is a variable. So what exactly happened in this scenario? So automatically my computer or Java compiler, Java interpreter create this variable. It is not create as variable. It will actually specific a memory location in the RAM. Suppose any random place in the RAM, there are lots of places. It will take a place in the RAM. And int is 4 byte. We saw right before. Int is 4 byte. Somehow we saw somewhere. I think in the beginning, the data type. So it is 4 byte. So whenever we declare a variable, so in Java compiler, Java interpreter create a memory location that size is 4 byte anywhere in the memory and whole memory has an address. So whenever it takes a location, so this location has an address. This address is called like 0, 1, 5, 5 hexadecimal number, A6. It is a lower level language kind of things. It is a location. Actually, this is equal to these things. This is equal to pointing this. In programming language, we write this line. Actually, this line is creating a memory location in the computer RAM, and this location actually pointing is it can holding. It can actually point. It can hold. You can say hold or point. It can hold the value of 25. It is the memory location. So variable is not a container, is nothing. It is a specific memory location. But in programming language, we say it is a container because it can hold the value. But in real life, this container create a memory location, actually hold a memory location based on the type. Type is 4 byte. So 4 byte memory location hold. And this memory location actually pointing the value what we assign to the the variable. That is conceptual. We have to understand because we'll going, little bit dev every day.
So I have a quick question about age. So you say memory location, but the value 25 is saved in the database or in the RAM?
No, here nothing going to database. Here everything is going to RAM.
Okay.
RAM, then Java itself has a heap memory, lots of things. So nothing is going to database. Database here not a concept of database, right? So in this program we are writing in Java. There is no database.
Oh, sorry, not database. I'm sorry. It should be I say
Hard drive.
hard drive, yes.
No,
hard drive.
not hard drive, in the RAM. In the RAM. So now just try to sync up. Int s. That means s is a memory location and it is pointing 25. Right. So if I change it, make it 29, that means this is create holding a memory location. This is the memory location, and this memory location is pointing a value, 25. Now this value is changed. Now it is going to 25. Now age is 25. Age means this location. So because we need these things. If you understand the memory location things, we have to, we can like, okay, give me an example here. We have little time. So A is equal to 25. 25 and int is one equal to 25. What does it mean?
That means we create two memory location in the RAM.
Okay.
One is age, one is one.
So it is your homework for next class. Tell me, is equal to, for Ashraf also, is equal to is 1? That is the question, right? So here what is happening, I'm just briefly telling you, is 25, is 125. Here, int s, create a memory location s. Here, another one, is 1. Is 1. Equal to koto? 25. 25. So it create another memory location here.
Change the number, say to 29.
Oh, no, 29. No. I want to put the same value.
Okay.
Same value. Otherwise, you will not have 25. Both are 25. Right? So both are 25. It is 25. It is 25. So it is here. It is here. S1 is here. S is here. So it is holding 25. It is holding value 25. So now my question is A is equal to S1 or not?
No.
Why?
No, because it is two memory in the
Exactly. It is two memory locations.
memory because of two variable here.
These two variable is different. Their value is same. Their value is same.
Values doesn't matter.
But
Matter
this,
is
yeah. So research on it. So next class we will go a little bit further. So yeah, try to understand the concept. So when we declare a variable, it is create a memory location, and memory location is separate actually address. These address actually holding this data. This address is holding this data. But this address and this address is not same. Its value is different. It is different value. It has different value. Maybe 5, 8, 5, 6, something like that. Memory location. That's why these two are not equal. But their value here and here, their value is same. This value is equals, but
variable is not
this variable is not.
memory location is
that is interview question. Keep it in mind, okay? Why S and S is not equal, same, right? Not equal. Because these two variables is two different memory location. So they are not same, but their value is same. So their value is equal, but they itself are not equal. So far clear today?
Yeah, for myself. Yep.
Awesome. Okay, and Ashraf, you also, right? Ashraf? Okay. It's good.
Thank you.
Okay, Khoda hafiz তাহলে. See you next week.
Twin, আমার installation টা এখন.
Okay. 1 second.
Yeah, back.
So we don't need recording for this.
Yeah, you can record, but it's a separate record for future reference.
Okay, now, yeah, we have to push the recording. Yeah. Otherwise, oh, now we can push.
I also